As you can imagine, today is one of the most beautiful days of their lives, and they are extremely happy to share this day with every single one of you.
Keri, I'm honoured to be here today with so many others. Seeing you tie the knot with the love of your life, you mean so much to me. I'm here for you every step of the way. I love you so much and look forward to many more years of friendship.
You're one of the most funniest, most genuine guys, and you're always the organiser of our group, organising everything, and honestly we do really appreciate it. You've been with me for every step of my life since we were two, and I'm really, really happy to see you for a big step of yours.
And as Keri and Dale stand here at their altar space, hand in hand, preparing to take each other's hands in marriage.
As I stand before you, I can't but help but feel it's a bittersweet moment for our families as we remember my dear brother Morris, a loving father who left us all too soon. But today we also embrace the joy and happiness that brings knowing that he is watching over us and his spirit is alive within our hearts.
To share my whole heart with you and to remember to show you how deeply I love you every day. For as long as I shall live, I dedicate myself to your happiness, success and smile. I will love you forever.
Always be there for you. I'll trust you, care for you, but most of all, I will always love you.